I told an AI to add a fully functional dark mode toggle to a web app I built. I didn't write a single line of code, I just gave it plain English instructions. And this is the result. In seconds, it read my entire project, understood the structure, created a new component, updated the configuration, and implemented the feature flawlessly. I didn't click anything. I just told it the goal. This is the new generation of AI, and in this video, we're going to dissect exactly how it works. What you're watching is a demonstration of Anthropic's latest models, including the lightning-fast Haiku 4.5. This isn't just about chatbots anymore. This is about building an AI workforce that can code, reason, and interact with the real world. We're going to break down 3 incredible demos from this video: an AI that acts as an expert software developer, an AI that can master complex strategy games, and an AI that plans your day using real-time Google Maps data. This is one of the biggest leaps in practical AI I've ever seen, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why. So, how is this possible? Anthropic just released Haiku 4.5, and this chart tells you everything you need to know. This is the SWE bench, a rigorous test that measures a model's ability to solve real-world software engineering problems. Look at the results. Haiku 4.5 is scoring an incredible 73.3%, right alongside its much larger sibling, Sonnet 4.5, and even outperforming models like GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5 Pro in some contexts. It's delivering near state-of-the-art coding performance at a fraction of the cost and at twice the speed. This is what lean model, rich mind truly means. But coding is just one piece of the puzzle.
Hi there. I'm a demo agent powered by Grounding with Google Maps. This technology lets me use Google Maps' real-time information to give you accurate and relevant answers. To show you how it works, let's plan a quick afternoon itinerary together. You can talk to me with your voice or type. Just use the controls below to mute or unmute. To start, what city are you thinking of for our afternoon itinerary?
What about interacting with the real world? This next demo is mind-blowing. Here, an AI agent is grounded with Google Maps, giving it access to real-time, real-world information.
That's an interesting choice. Germany is a big country. Could you please narrow it down to a specific city in Germany so I can help you find a great spot for lunch? Great, we'll plan our afternoon in Berlin, Germany. What kind of food are you in the mood for in Berlin? If you don't know, ask me for some suggestions.
The user starts with a simple request. Let's do a lunch at Germany. Now, watch the AI's reasoning process.
Please wait while I get that information. Here are a few suggestions for restaurants in Berlin, Germany. Schnitzelei Mitte. This restaurant specializes in schnitzel and offers outdoor seating. Amano, a refined Italian restaurant that offers live music and a robust wine list. Bless Restaurant. This Asian restaurant allows dogs and offers curbside pickup. Some suggested queries are: what is the vibe at Amano?
The agent immediately understands that Germany is a country, not a city, and asks for clarification. The user says, let's do the capital.
I can help you find sightseeing places in a specific city in Germany, but I'm not able to plan routes across an entire country or create a tour. We can continue planning our afternoon in Berlin if you'd like. Great. We're back to planning our afternoon in Berlin. We just looked at some lunch options. To recap, I suggested Schnitzelei Mitte specializes in schnitzel with outdoor seating. Amano, a refined Italian restaurant with live music and a wine list. Bless Restaurant, an Asian restaurant that allows. I'll use Grounding with Google Maps for that request. Here are some sightseeing places in Berlin, Germany. Brandenburg Gate, an iconic restored 18th century gate and landmark featuring 12 Doric columns.
And the AI correctly identifies Berlin and zooms in. This shows geographic and contextual awareness. It then takes the next step, proactively asking about food preferences and offering suggestions like Schnitzelei Mitte and Bless Restaurant. When the user asks for sightseeing spots, it again uses its grounding in maps to pull up iconic locations like the Brandenburg Gate, complete with real-time data and context. This is an AI that doesn't just know facts, it can use live tools to plan, suggest, and interact with the physical world. Finally, how does an AI handle tasks that run for hours or even days? The problem with most AI is its limited context window. It eventually forgets the beginning of the conversation. Anthropic has solved this with two new features: context editing and memory. This demo, where Claude plays the strategy board game Catan, is the perfect showcase. But what about an AI that can see? We've seen an AI that can code and an AI that can use real world maps, but this next demo showcases one of the most fundamental shifts in AI: deep visual understanding. What you're looking at is not a folder of images. This is a visual representation of a multimodal AI's understanding of concepts. As the game progresses, turns, trades, and dice rolls quickly fill up the context window. But watch here, context editing automatically removes older, less relevant events, keeping the AI focused on the current state of the game. At the same time, the memory tool is storing high-level strategic insights about the other players in a separate, persistent knowledge base. It remembers that Maven hoards brick and that Ace has a wood stockpile. By combining long-term memory with a clean, focused, short-term context, Claude is able to analyze threats, predict opponent behavior, block a key move from Maven, and ultimately win the game. This is how AI achieves long-term strategic reasoning. So what does this all mean? We're looking at AI that can be your co-pilot for development, your real-world travel agent, and your master strategist. The potential here is massive, from building fully autonomous applications to creating complex business automation that runs for you 24/7. These tools are no longer just toys, they are powerful platforms for building the future. This is the power I want to help you harness at Mike's AI Forge. I spend every day testing these breakthrough tools, and I build the workflows that you can deploy in one click. If you're ready to move beyond simple prompts and start building with truly powerful AI, I invite you to join the community. Click the first link in the description to get free access to my platform and my curated library of AI tools. Thanks for forging with me today. If you got value from this deep dive, subscribe to the channel. The future is being built right now, and we're going to build it together. I'll see you in the next one.